Sanibonani amolweni uzolani phansi uzolani humble. Namhlanje ngizokhuluma noba ngizofaka ivideo where I'm doing a presentation with the advanced trading. So this will be the last presentation or video whereby ngifundisa abantu noba ngikhombisa abantu indlela ukuthi kutradewa kanjani. So ngicabanga ukuthi abanye abantu bayabona i-ebook yami le engayibreaker into 3 parts if I'm not mistaken. Okuthi ke njengamanje sizofocusa ke okunye uzothola ukuthi izinto esasikade sizibalulile okanye sasizimentionile to ini kwi-ebook, because i-ebook naleya one day seminar it's a foundation. So njengamanje we are doing a presentation with the advance. So lezi zinto lezi nginikeza abantu izinto mahala, othola ukuthi ngo-2019 abantu babekade befunda lento le bekhokha imali, kodwa njengamanje ke kwafika enhlizweni yami ukuthi you know what, since kwaba khona zonke izinto ezenzeka, kwaba khona no COVID, I will no longer conduct ama-classes whereby I will be doing ama-class ngithi abantu mabeze bakhokhe imali. The only thing that I will do is to upload my presentations ku-channel yami ya-YouTube phansi kwaZolani phansi. So this is the last presentation whereby I'm teaching or ngikhombisa abantu ukuthi ukutradewa kanjani nezinto ezingabasiza to do trading. My focus since we are approaching 2022, I will be focusing kwi-humble community ministry where I will be doing izinto ngisiza umphakathi ngi-trader. I-focus yami izobe sebantwini abamalunga kwi-community, humble community ministry. On the other side, I will be trying by all means ukuthi kube khona ama-refunds to abantu ababekade befake imali zabo zaka-humble. So in this presentation, I'm going to use isiZulu because ngeke ngathola i-feedback from other people bebonga ukuthi yazi siyabonga ukuthi you are doing this thing ngesintu, siyayi-understand njengamanje umsebenzi owenzayo muhle kakhulu. So ngiyabonga kakhulu if kukhona abantu abathola usizo, ngoba lento yama-language noba ye-English inama-barriers. Sometimes ithola ukuthi abanye abantu they can bangakwazi ukutrader kodwa bashawe yini i-language ngendlela echazwa ngayo. Kodwa ke manje in order sometimes ukuthi uthole into noba uyi-understand, mina ngiyengikholele ekuthenini if into uzoyizwa kahle ngolwimi lwakho, it's where uthola ukuthi uzoyazi kahle. Ngiyakhumbula kwi-training yasemaphoyiseni, ngoba i-training yami ngayenza Olundi, sasiphasa kakhulu kwilento e-college. Ama-student awayese-Pretoria bathi hayi into eyenza ukuthi abantu basolundi baphase kakhulu it's because bafundiswa ngesiZulu. Sathi thina siyavuma sifundiswa ngesiZulu, kodwa when we write lento ethu, ama-exams ethu, ama-assessment ethu asiwabhali ngesiZulu ngoba siwabhala nge-English, but isiZulu besisiza to understand yonke lento esifundisayo. So ngayibona lonto le ukuthi iwusizo kakhulu ukuthi umuntu ma umfundisa nangolwimi okuyi-native language yakhe. So right now what I want to do okanye okusenhlizweni nami is to break the barriers zokuthi abantu bakwazi ukutrader irrespective ukuthi i-language baya-understand noma bayi-understand, but the only thing efuneka yenzeke ukuthi u-understand ukuthi kwenzakalani to imarket, not ukuthi kufuneka ube umuntu ofunde kakhulu. Ukufunda kakhulu akukusizi because we do have abantu abanama-diploma, abanama-degree, abafunde kakhulu academically, kodwa when it comes to ukuthi benze imali uthola ukuthi ayikho imali etheni abayiholayo. Bahlulwa abantu abahlalela emakhaya njenganathi, thola sihlalela ekhaya through ulwazi esilithole kwi-trading. Uthola ukuthi umuntu njengoba yena esebenza ezosebenza ngo-8 to 4, mhlambe uthola ngosuku mhlambe let's say uthikitha 800 ngenze example noba 1000, but uthola ukuthi mina mangizongena ngo-3 up to 5 ekuseni sengenze mhlawumbe 5000 noba 8000. It will determine ukuthi i-lot size yami noba i-account yami ingakanani. So Lana when it comes to trading awulimithwa isikhathi sokuthi njengamanje soyaphuma njengomuntu osebenza kamlungu ngoba umuntu osebenza kamlungu ukuze athole imali uzothola imali based kwimisebenzi ayenzile noba based to ama-hour akawasebenzile. That is a job, but when it comes to trading we've got a work sisebenza 24 hours. Anytime ofuna ukusebenza uyasebenza, uzozilimitha wena ukuthi okay njengamanje ngifuna ukwenza imali engaka noba hayi ngosuku ngifuna ukwenza imali engaka. Anything it's possible kwi-trading. So wena nje ongahlela unyaka usaqala ukuthi okay kulo nyaka lona ngifuna ukuthi kuphela unyaka mhlambe ngenza ama-million amangaka, then you will have a trading plan ukuthi okay in order to reach lo ma-million ngonyaka imalini ekumele ngiyenze ngenyanga, imalini ekumele ngiyenze ngeviki, imalini ekumele ngiyenze ngosuku, imalini ekumele ngiyenze nge-hour, ama-lot size engizowasebenzisa in order to reach my target yosuku mangakanani, ama-position engimele ngiwavule and so forth. So yiloko nje kumele ukwenze uma umuntu otradeayo, you must have a trading plan. So sizofunda nge-advance, uzothola ukuthi ezinye izinto siyaziphinda la ngenhloso yokuthi into esizobe siyiveza sifuna ukuthi ingene ebantwini. So ngabe ngenza iphutha elikhulu uma singadluli kwi-risk warning. This is our risk warning engihlezi ngiyiveza ukuthi umuntu otradeayo ngaphansi kwegama lenkampani yami uHumble Forex Trading, i-general advice only lena. It does not take into account your personal circumstances. Please do not trade or invest based solely on this information. So ngihlezi ngikusho lokho kuma video aphathelene nani, aphathelene ne-trading ukuthi uma ngabe uzothatha le information noba le material engifake lana ungasebenzisi yona kuphela, kumele usebenzise nezinye futhi izinto ngoba la inhloso ukuthi ngikukhombise nje ulwazi olulula. And okunye futhi I'm not selling okanye angidayisi insurance like izinto eziphathelene nemali. Angiyena umuntu othola ukuthi uyi-financial advisor. The only information engiyidlulisa la ngidlulisa ukwenzela ukuthi abantu abathandayo ukuthi batrade babe nolwazi nge-trading. I-trading-ke uma utrader ama-CFDs noba ama-contracts kumele wazi ukuthi i-trading ine-risk, but that risk is manageable if umuntu onolwazi le-trading. So kubalulekile ukuthi uma umuntu otradeayo u-understand ukuthi kwenzakalani kwi-market and wenze sure ukuthi you will embrace i-loss ozoba nayo. Ungatrade ngemali oyibolekile noba ngemali othola ukuthi ngeke uze ukhone ukwamkela ukulahlekelwa yiyona. Sonke isikhathi uma utrader u-aware ukuthi i-risk ikhona ukuthi ungalahlekelwa imali yonke osukuyifake kwi-trading. So sizokhuluma, sake sakhuluma kuma-previous video kodwa sizoveza nje la ama-technical analysis. Nizokhumbula-ke ama-technical analysis ukuthi uma sikhuluma nge-technical analysis sisuke sikhuluma ngezinto ozibhekayo kwi-chart as a person otradeayo. And then we've got ama-technical analysis, we've got ama-fundamentals. Ama-fundamentals ilabantu abatrader based kuyindaba noba kwizinto ezenzeka kumazwe ngamazwe noba kuba khona i-pitch and so forth. Abantu in order to understand zonke lezi zinto ngicela ukuthi ba-refer back kuma-videos la sikhuluma khona ngani ngama-technical analysis noma fundamental analysis. So i-starting point is that the following are some trading indicators used by ama-chartists, also known as ama-technical analysis. Traders use a number of these but seldom use all. So awukwazi ukuthi wasebenzise wonke, but you use some of them. Maningi-ke ama-technical analysis othola ukuthi ungawasebenzisa noba indlela zokuthi ucubulunge imarket ngokubheka i-chart. So we've got i-mapped trends. Study long-term charts including yearly, monthly and weekly. A larger scale map of the market provides more visible and a better long-term perspective on a market. Once the long-term has been established, then consult daily and intraday for hours to 1 minute charts. A short-term market view alone can be very deceptive. Even if you trade daily, you will do better if you know long-term trends. So masikhuluma nge-map the trends ila uthola ukuthi kumele uqale wenze njani, uye kuma-time frame. Masikhuluma ngama-time frame ukuthi i-market njengoba inama-candlestick ngokuhamba kwayo iya ngokuyikhathi. Kuba khona isikhathi ukuthi ngenyanga ihambe yakha amakhandlela amangaka ngeviki, yenza amangaka ngosuku, siye from usukwini siya ku-4 hours, siye ku-1 hour, siye ku-30 minutes, 15 minutes, 5 minutes, 1 minute. So okubalulekile before nje uzoqala ukutrader, funeka uzovula ama-positions akho, kumele wenze njani? Umap the trends. Iya kwi-trend yakho uthole ukuthi uyayivula i-chart uma uzoyivula uqale uye kuma-trend amadala, mhlawumbe ubheke ukuthi okay ngonyaka ibihamba kanjani, ngenyanga ihamba kanjani. Kwilento esilandelayo njengami islide esilandelayo uzobona yonke lento engikhuluma ngayo. So nasi isibonelo la kwi-long term chart ekabani ka-month la, you can see ukuthi sino 1 September 2018 ku-1 September 2021. So into eyenzakalayo, you can see ukuthi from 1 September ibekade ishaya i-uptrend and then yahamba and uyabona-ke njengoba sesila kulo nyaka ka-2021 ukuthi senza njani, still isiyini i-uptrend. So we analyze kanjalo before you even open ama-trades akho, you go kubani kwi-long term ubone ukuthi ithini i-movement yayo, ngoba into enzakalayo noba manje ngabe nizokhumbula sithini ngoku-analyze noba abantu aba-trader technically sithi into eyake yayenza emakethe eminyakeni edlule iphinde iyenze futhi esikhathini esilandelayo. So kubalulekile ukuthi uma uzotrade uyobheka ukuthi yake yenza njani ngakule nyanga yayikade ikuphi, ngenzeka ukuthi yenze lokhu nalokhu nalokhu. So nansi enye example ke lapha, ngoba lena enyade senzile bekade kuyinto nje engidwebile. So sithathe la i-screenshot se-real account, as you can see lapha May 2017 until September 21. You can see njengamanje into indlela eyenza ngayo ukuthi lapha yana ngoJanuary ka-2018 yayilapha phezulu ku-resistance, yathi ngoMay 2021 yaba ku-resistance and then yenza njani, isiyadropha yenza yini, i-downtrend. So kubalulekile ukuthi sonke isikhathi uma kuthi uyatrader we start by mapping a trend kuma long term ukuthi yenza njani. So spot the trend, determine the trend and follow it. Uma kuthiwa spot the trend, ukuspota i-trend ukuthi uyibone i-movement noba ukuhamba kwayo ukuthi yenza njani, iya phezulu noba ishona phansi noba ishaya sideway. Nizokhumbula ukuthi kwi-sideway sithini, asi-trade uma kwi-sideway ngoba ayikho i-profit oyenzayo, kodwa uma iya phezulu you buy, uma iya ezansi and then you sell. So you determine i-trend ukuthi yenza njani before you even open i-position. Determine market trend come in many sizes, for long term to an intermediate term and the short term. First determine which one you are going to trade and use the appropriate chart. Okusho ukuthi ke njengoba kuyi long term ne short term ne intermediate, wena mangabe uwumuntu ozothatha ama positions uzoyivula for isikhathi eside, kubalekile ukuthi uqale ucheck ukuthi okay for insuku for inyanga noba for iviki iyakhuphuka ishona phezulu. Dayo kokuzokusiza ekuthenini i-time frame ozotrader kuyona uvula ama position base kwilento kwi-spot trend ukuthi kwinyanga ihamba kanjani, ngoba okumele ukwazi njengoba kuthiwa kwinyanga eyanyuka uzothola ukuthi phakathi nayo enyanga khona insuku la yehla khona iphinde ikhuphuka iphinde yehla iphinde ikhuphuka, kodwa egcineni yothi iphele inyanga iphele iphezulu. So kubalekile ukuthi ke uma uspota i-trend wazi kahle ukuthi okay njengoba ngi-analyze ngale ndlela mina ngizongena kule time frame ngi-trader, ngoba uzothola ukuthi uyi-analyze ku-4 hours, uma uyi-check ku-4 hours uthola ukuthi mhlawumbe i-uptrend yaphezulu, kodwa uma uscalpa ku-5 minutes noba ku-1 minutes uyakwazi ukuthi ungene ngoseli kodwa ubo-analyze ngo-buy lapha ku-4 hours, ngoba into ozoyenza wena uzothatha mhlambe 30 minutes ungena ngoseli, 30 minutes buy, 30 minutes sell, 30 minutes buy, kodwa uzenzani ulokhu ukhuphuka nayo grabbing in ama-position ama-profit ngalo ma-positions akho amancane ngoba uyascalpa. Kodwa umuntu othola ukuthi u-analyze waspot i-trend for i-long term uzothola ukuthi uyawayeka yehle inyuka yehle inyuka yehle inyuka, eventually igcine isenze njani, isiyenzile i-profit ngokwe-analysis yakhe. So this is another example yani yokuspota the trend. So you can see lapha from your left to a right yakho ukuthi kanjani iyakhuphuka. Lana sisebenzisa i-time frame ku-5 minutes. Uyabona laphaya njengamanje mayisese lapha njengoba sibhalwe cell entry, kulaphaya ku-cell entry level sibona ini, sibona ama-indicators ethu u-green no-red, mese kuba khona nalo makhandlela. Uyabona ukuthi asecrossile, u-green wenza njani, usecrossile uthatha iposition yakhe, no-red ucrossa ngale. Ila uthola ukuthi uma umuntu ozongena ngo-sell, ila ungena khona uthi-ke now I'm selling, expecting ukuthi ishone ezansi. The time ilokhu ishone ezansi, you open ama-position, take profit, open close, open close, open close from i-resistance up until izofika kwi-support. So trade with a trend. So that is a golden rule ukuthi you trade with a trend, you do not trade against the trend. Kodwa sometimes akhona ama-circumstances noma zikhona iy'khathi la uthola ukuthi you trade against the trend. So i-mention leyo ekuhambeleni kwesikhathi ngoba kukhona i-strategy othola ukuthi sometimes you do trade against a trend, kodwa asizungena lapho. But most of the time you must always trade with a trend. So you find a support and a resistance level. The best place to buy is near a support levels. That is usually a previous reaction low. The best place to sell a market is near any resistance level. Resistance is usually a previous peak. After a resistance peak has been broken, it will usually provide support on a subsequent pullbacks. In other words, the old high becomes the new low. In the same way, when a support level has been broken, it will usually produce selling on subsequent slim rallies. The old low can become the new high. Nizokhumbula ukuthi sake sakhuluma ngo support nango resistance. Asho zathi support it's like a floor and then resistance is like ceiling. Iyahamba market mayifika kwi ceiling ime ibuyele ezansi, ifike kwi-land kwi-support iphinde ibuyele phezulu. However, iyakwazi ukuthi i-break i-support ishone ezansi, i-previous support igcina isiba i-resistance, or else ithole ukuthi ima iya phezulu i-break i-resistance, the previous resistance ishintshe ngabusaba i-resistance ibe yini, ibe yi-support. So kubalulekile sonke isikhathi mangabe kuthiwa uya-trader, you know your support and you know your resistance, so that when you trade you always trade within any support ne resistance. Makumele uphume, if you bukade uyaphezulu uphuma before it reaching resistance. Makumele uphume mangabade wehla uphuma before it reaching support, ngoba by doing that uyazi ukuthi uzothatha i-profit, then you wait for any breakout. So this is an example yethu lana, as you can see from your left, last bhale khona neutral trend consolidation, market ibi consolidator iya phezulu to form up a new resistance before usuku liphele, usuku longomhla kabani, usuku langamhla ka5 October. So saba ne supply zone lapha okuyi resistance, and then yehla ishona ezansi, you see lapha yasino sell entry, and then ugreen crosser red. La ungena khona usungena ngobani, ungena ngosell ngoba iyakutshela market ukuthi ishona ezansi. Now wenza njani, you are selling, uyadayisa up until ishona lapha, and then ubona sine base kwangazuthi iyaphezulu yaphinda yashona ezansi, yaqala ya create a new supply zone on that day lomhla kabani okumhla ka6 ku-October, and then yashona ezansi yayofoma ini demand zone okanye i-support. Ngobani besikade sihamba sibheka i-support ekuyi-previous ebengale njengoba you can see kula red line lapho sibhale u-demand zone on your left hand side, sayi-highlighter with the red. So yayi-breaker, yayo-create a new demand or support. So kubalekile ngalesikhathi wena mangabe utrader ukuthi uthatha i-profit noba uphuma before it reach support. So kuyakusize ukuthi mangabe uzoshaya i-scalping, open close, open close, open close, egcineni kosuku wenza i-profit eningi, ngoba by doing that ithi fika lapha uthola ukuthi usonama-profit amaningi. Njengoba uzobona lapha ezansi kule history yethu, you can see ama-profit abanjiwe lapha khona 16, 02, 03, obani mangabe uyawabheka, ubheka ikhathi avulwe ngazo, ubheke nekhathi avalwa ngazo, izokhombisa lonto ukuthi kuvulwa ama-position, avula vala. Lokho kukusiza ekuthenini ukuthi kushaya i-hour noba kuphela usuku ube sewenze imali ebonakalayo. And then lana sinani sine example yani ye-support ne-resistance njengoba sikhulumile ngayo, and then above i-resistance sine high price, and then below i-support sibe ne-low price. Kuyenzeka sometimes ukuthi imarket yenzeni i-breakout, ma i-breakout then mase uthola ukuthi khona la kuvela khona uthola ukuthi kuvezwa ini, kuvezwa ama-symbols. Ma kuvezwa ama-symbols noba ini lokho okuthola ukuthi kwama-instruments baye bakuvezele mhlawumbe uthola ukuthi i-high price iwubani ne-low price yakhona obani. So once i-resistance i-break, then uyazi kahle ukuthi okuyi-breaker kwayo ngeke isaphinde ishona zansi, izofoma another new resistance, and then ihambe kanjalo. As you can see lapha sinyane sine-breakout. So size kwi-trend line breakout. So ma utrader enye into ophinde uyisebenzise futhi usebenzisa ini i-trend line. I-trend line lana ulwa nje ubona sibhale uptrending trend line. I-trend line ikusiza ekutheni ubone i-trend mangabe ishona phezulu, ndimo iloku ihitha ishona phezulu, ikhombisa amandla nokuba successful kwelento kwani kwe-trend yakho ukuthi ishona njani. Should i-break i-trend, then ila ubona khona ukuthi okay siyashintsha le manje, mangabe athi i-uptrend isizoshintsha ibe yini, ibe yi-downtrend ngoba isiyibreakile ini i-trend line yakho. So lokhu yilokho engikhulume ngakho ngale neutral trend line. Trend line are one of the simplest and most effective chart tools. All you need is a straight edge and 2 points on the chart. Uptrend lines are drawn along to successive low. Downtrend lines are drawn along to successive peaks. Price will often pull back to trend lines before resuming their trend. The breaking of trend lines usually signals a change in a trend. So once I break nje suke signal ukuthi yenza njani, isiyashintsha. Mangabe wenza i-trend line uptrend, once I break ishone phansi yakutshela ukuthi hayi sekuyinkomba yokuthi siyashintsha ke market yenza njani, ishona ezansi. So nathi-ke indlela esenza ngayo la uthola ukuthi iyahit okokuqala nje ubona leya dot ihit yesibini, idot yesibini, idot yesithathu, then ishonele, and then une-resistance lapha. Uyabona ukuthi we've got an ascending triangle. So njengoba sine-ascending triangle sine-uptrend trending line, once yayibreaka sesiyaphuma siyazi kahle ukuthi izoshintsha yenza njani, ishona phansi. Okay, so you following sizekini ke manje sithi following the average. Masikhuluma nge-average sikhuluma ngani, ngama-indicators la sake sakhuluma ngawo, abantu bazohlezi beyazi ukuthi-ke as kuma-technicals we also use ama-indicators. So we've got ama-moving averages. Follow the moving averages that provides objective buy and sell signals. They tell you if an existing trend is still in motion and help to confirm a trend. Moving average do not tell you in advance, however the trend change is imminent. So ama-moving averages angeke azakutshele in advance ukuthi i-trend izokwenzakalani, but ayakusiza ekuthenini uyibone i-trend ngendlela a-create ngayo ukuthi i-trend yenza kanjani. So lama indicators engiwasebenzisayo ngisebenzisa i-combination yama-moving average anama-period awu-3. Lama-period esikhuluma ngawo sikhuluma ngo-9 osisiza ekutheni sibone ukuthi sivula kuphi emakethe, sibe no-21, u-21 osisiza ukuthi sibone ukuthi okay sesiyavala, siphinde sibe no-200. U-200 naye futhi uyasisiza ekuthenini sibone ukuthi kumele senze njani sivale i-trend. So kubalulekile ukuthi wa-understand ama-moving average wasebenzisayo, wazi nama-period awo ngoba baningi ama-settings. Abantu-ke sibe nama-settings angafani. Abanye abantu basebenzisa amanye ama-period of day. Mina kodwa engiwasebenzisayo ngisebenzisa u-9, u-21 no-200, and uyangisebenzela because since ngaqala ukusebenzisa wona ngiyakwazi ukuthi ngi-analyze market ngendlela e-right, and if kuthiwa ngilandele wona angibi nayo inkinga yokuthi mhlawumbe uthole ukuthi ngiba ne-loss. Kumele ngenze sure ukuthi maye ngikhombisa ukuthi senza njani manje, sishone ezansi ngiphume ngalezo sikhathi, mangabe ethi sishiya phezulu and then ngenze njani ngazi ukuthi sesiyanyuka siyaphezulu. So iyona example yawo ke lawa ama-indicators. La i-example yethu inalawa u-2 kuphela, oku-green no-red, ngoba most of the time akasondeli eduze kwamakhandlela obani u-200 ngoba i-distance yakhe iba kude kakhulu. Kodwa-ke u-200 uye akhombise mangabe below u-200 that tells you ukuthi i-uptrend, maye above that tells you ukuthi yini i-downtrend. So uhlezi ehamba kude kakhulu kunalawa ama-indicators awu-2, u-9 no-21. So mase siba nama-time warning trading rules, ngeke ngize ngiwachaze kakhulu njengoba ebhaliwe nje kanje, umuntu uzomele azi njani azifundele, ngoba into engiyifunayo ngifuna ukuthi kuphele nobo 40 minutes nobo 45 minutes bese ngiqedile ukwenza le presentation so that ngeke zibe yinde kakhulu. So iwona lawa ama-time warning trading rules. Maningi ama-rules esingaba nawo, but lawa nje ngifisa ukuthi sikhulume ngawo. Always belong in a bull markets. So kubalulekile ukuthi imarket mangabe iya phezulu then you buy. Ama-bulls-ke lawo, buy in a strength and sell into weakness. So uzophinda ufundele-ke futhi layo ekuthenini wenza njani, you buy in a strength mangabe into enamandla, and then if you weak you sell. So izinto ezibalulekile, every day should be made, every trade should be made as if it is your last trade. So mangabe umuntu otrader, ithi mawuvula iposition utrade as if utrade okugcina ngeke usaphinde utrade. So kubalulekile ukuthi wenze sure nje ukuthi uyazimisela kuma trades akho and ube nawo umfu mawuthi uyatrade, ungatrade nje ngoba uthi hayi nje ngizenzela nje. So i-trade ne-trade mayibe i-trade ebalulekile kuwena, a minor correction against the major trend and to address. So ezinye izinto lezo uthola ukuthi kumele wenze sure ukuthi uyazi-understanda when it comes to i-market, ngoba kuba khona ama-corrections ewenzayo. So ama-corrections ifuna uzowasebenzisa no-33 to 50% correction level from ama-previous movement, ngoba kwesinye isikhathi yazi uthola ukuthi omunye umuntu uyadideka athi mhlawumbe useyaphuma ngobona ngathi imarket iyajika kanti ayijiki, isenza ama-correction, mayisiqoqa kwenza i-correction ikhuphuke nayo i-trend. Abanye abantu abathola ukuthi uyaphuma ade analyze kahle imarket wayibona ukuthi i-downtrend, but mayisenza ama-correction kube ngazuthi iyajekishona phezulu lapho umuntu noba angene ngobuy mayisiyashintsha futhi ishone ezansi. So kubalulekile ukuthi wenze sure ukuthi you understand ukuthi ama-corrections imarket izowenza kanjani. Zonke lezi zinto lezi izinto ezikusizayo kuwini kwi-technical. Be patient. If a trade missed, wait for correction to occur before putting the trade on. So uyayilinda mangabe uye wayimisa that opportunity yokuthi ungene esikhathini esi-right mangabe i-uptrend noba i-downtrend. Once yenza i-correction usuyaqala wenza njani, uyangena. Once a trade is put on, allow it time to develop and give it time to create the profit you expected. So kubalulekile ukuthi masuyivulile iposition uyinikeze isikhathi sokuthi yenze njani, ikunikeze iprofit lo osuke uyilindelile. Ungabe umuntu othola ukuthi awukwazi ukuthi uyilinde, usheshe uphume noba usheshe uvale noba uthi hayi ngosuka yikho lento le, ngoba by doing that, which means awuyinikeze i-trade ukuthi ibe nesikhathi esanele sokunikeza profit. Never ever under any condition add a losing trade or average into a position. So mangabe i-trade yakho kuthiwa mhlambe yenza i-loss, musuloku ufaka amaningi loku wafaka, ngoba into eyenzakalayo kuzokwehla i-margin level yakho. At the end of the day you will see, uthola ukuthi i-account yakho isiyablowa. I-account iblowiswe yini? Usuke wena wathatha wabhundelanisa ama-position amaningi, kodwa i-trade yakho yenza njani? Ingenzi profit. So kubalulekile ukuthi if uvule iposition and ubelieve ukuthi sazobuya still, yenza sure ukuthi leyo trade ekwi-loss awuphinde u-add amanye ama-positions up until ize yenze njani, uthole ukuthi i-pullback or iyabuya futhi. When you make a loss, take a time off. Mangabe kuthiwa mhlambe khona ama-losses owenzile, take a time off, ukuphumule nje, uthathe i-break, ngoba once wathi ufuna uqhamuka with a revenge noba uthi ufuna ukuthi usheshe ubuyise imali elahlekile, you will trade with ama-emotions. By doing that uzolahlekelwa imali eningi. Take a break if kuthiwa mhlawumbe kukhona ama-loss owa-accumulatile. Kumele nazi ukuthi i-loss is a part of the game when it comes to trading. Therefore ungaphatheki kabi sometimes if you make ama-losses, ngoba we do also get ama-loss, kodwa mangabe se-trader senza sure ukuthi mangabe ama-trade yethu e-right senza i-profit eningi kakhulu, swapushe kwenzela ukuthi mangabe kuthiwa kuba khona usuku la uba khona i-loss, uthathe i-break, ungabi nayo inkinga yokuthi hayi umuntu oseyothola ukuthi usuyadika ibala noba usuyaphuma kwe-trading. So there is no genius in these rules. They are common sense and nothing else, but also Voltaire said. Uthi Voltaire, common sense is uncommon. Trading is a common sense business. When we trade contrary to common sense, we will lose. Perhaps not always, but enormously, and eventually. Trade simple, avoid complex methodologies concerning obscure technical systems, and trade according to the major trends only. So as much as ke into engangihlezi ngisho even nango-2019 ukuthi ngeke uze uye kumthandazi noba uyithandazele imakethe ukuthi imakethe mayihambe ngendlela yakho kwasha kwacina, kodwa-ke mina kukhona imfihlo enginayo okukuthi-ke abantu abazobhenefitha kubona abantu abazongilandela kakhulukazi when it comes to ubani kwa-humble community ministry, ngoba kunemfihlo engiyisebenzisayo when I do trading. But-ke i-trading on its own ngeke uze uyithandazele, i-trading on its own ngeke uze uyiyele kumthandazi, kodwa mina there is something that engikholelwa kuyona and uNkulunkulu angisizayo kuyona. Every time when I trade, and even nangalesikhathi before ngizotrade, there are things engizenzayo spiritually. Uthola ukuthi ngikhuluma naye emakethe mase kuba khona ama-activities noba kuba khona izinto engizenzayo. By doing that kuzongisiza ekutheni ama-decision engikwenzayo nomqondo wami ube fixed and ngikwazi ukuthi okuphi kumele ngikwenze when it comes to market. So izinto othola ukuthi abanye abantu ngeke baze bakufundise, ngeke ize kube yinto ozoyifundiswa nakuthiwa mhlambe kwi-theory ye-trading nanekuphi, kodwa manje njengoba ngisho ngithi lento le iyimfihlo okuwukuthi izodinga ukuthi abantu abafuna ukuyincela lento le kube khona some ama-commitment ababa nawo when it comes to izinto zaka-spiritually, whereby umuntu you will believe and kube khona something ozoyibona, ngoba into enzakalayo as I'm trading ngithi uma ngibuka i-chat noba ngibuka ilento mangi-analyzer i-market, ngiba beyond than i-market, ngiba beyond than i-chat le engiyibonayo, ngiba beyond than ama-candlesticks and movement emarket, kodwa ngibone izinto efuna ukuzenza nezinto ezozenza eventually. So iyimfihlo, kodwa leyo mfihlo leyo ngizoyidisclose to people who are keen and willing to be a part of into engizobe ngiyiphusha kwa-Humble Community Ministry, whereby I will be preaching i-trading nezinye izinto just ngehloso yani yokuthi ngisize umphakathi. So we've got 3 types of swing strategies. We've got the stuck in a box, catch the wave, the fade, the move. So into engizoyenza nje ngizogijima njengawo ngigijime nawo, ngeke ngene in details, but I will get into details abantu nithola ukuthi sengihlangana nabo khona lapha ka-Humble Community Ministry, la khona sengithi okay, how do we practice zonke lezi zinto-ke. So like we stuck in a box, it's where you open a position mangabati downtrend from a resistance to ubani to support. So wehlanayo in the strategy you let the price reject and you enter. So you linde ukuthi yadi yaphezulu, once ya rejecta isho ikhombisa ukuthi ishona ezansi uyangena, and then you exit before it's reach resistance or support. So it's stuck in a box. Message to stuck in a box, remember you draw a horizontal line, you've got a resistance, you've got a support, you trade within a support resistance level. So it's stuck in a box, which means it's a box in nje stuck khona up and down, up and down, up and down, you swing, you making a profit irrespective of ukuthi yiphi time frame oyisebenzisayo. Once wena ukwazi ukuspota okanye udraw i-support yakho na resistance yakho within that time frame oyisebenzisayo, then umbone i-movement yayo ukuthi stuck in a box, uzotrade ngale ndlela mayishona ezansi wenza profit, shona phezulu yenze i-profit. So we've got the catch the wave. Uma you-catch the wave, uzoba ne-example noba ngicela ukuthi ube nesithombe samagagasi. So uma ubona igagasi ngendlela elihamba ngayo ukuthi lihamba kanjani, angithi ukubona amanzi kwemagagasi ukuthi enza njani. So here we've got a catch the wave. In this type you wait for a price rejection and enter the trade. You check your resistance support in a long term or a big time frame. Set your stop loss below or above the pullback level. So as you can see la le example engenzile la sinobani ade downtrend njengoba ukhona ubawubona lamakhandlela a-red, so i-price ya-reject, so i-stop loss sakho siba below price la reject khona, and then on the second candlestick eliyaphezulu it's a entry point la ukhombisa khona ukuthi iyaphezulu. So ke isikhathi uma yenza kanje imarket mangabe iyaphezulu yenza yini, ithi ishaya ama high lows, high lows, high lows. So when you swing when it's high and then you uphume low, and you swing when it's high uphume low, swing it high uphume low kanjalo. Sometimes you can ungayiyeka mangabe umuntu othola ukuthi utrader kwi-long term, kodwa mangabe you are scalping you can open close, open close, open close, ukhuphuka nayo. So we've got a fade, the move, aggressive swing. Aggressive swing ilena kuthola ukuthi you trade sometimes against the trend. In this type of a swing, you trade against the trend. Therefore, you don't hold the trade for too long. It shows the sign of a reversal, you exit. Ngamanye amazwi i-uptrend iyaphezulu. So when into eyenzayo ngalesikhathi i-uptrend iyaphezulu, uthola ukuthi uyatrade and mase kuthiwa futhi iyalento iya-rejecta i-price noba ifika ku-resistance isiyajika. Uthola ukuthi uyangena uthathe futhi ama-position amancane lapha ku-red and wenze sure ukuthi u-exita before isifike laphaya kulento kuma-reversal uptrend ama-patterns, then uswinga nje kancane and then usuyaphuma. Mangabe ukhumbula nje bade sikhuluma ngane nge-fade wave, nje bade sikhuluma nge-catched wave ngale, okusho ukuthi lana ushaya izinto ezizothi iswing yakho ishaya njengoba i-uptrend, ugijima ngo-green and maqala i-rejector uphume and then mayishona phansi ungene ngobuy usheshe uphume futhi ama-trade akhona awuwaholdi ngoba izosheshe ijike iphinde ishone njani iye phezulu. So we've got a strategy that esithi humble all-in-one swing scalping strategy. In the strategy ngangakhuluma futhi nama-previous video ngaso ukuthi in the strategy we use only one indicator, moving average, with ama-3 period in all chart time frames. Sengikhulumile ke ngawo ke previously. So into esesiyibheke la sibheka ini sithi in ascending trend both indicators are supporting the trend to go up. In a descending trend both indicators are resisting the trend to go up. So masikhuluma ngo both, sikhuluma ngo-9 no-21 o-green nobani no-red. U-9 always move next to ama-candlesticks and then 21 supporting u-9 behind, and then u-200 uzomthola ukuthi uba le kude kakhulu mangabe emove. If there is a reversal, u-21 will come closer to u-9 and once they meet together expect consolidation. Should mayisehlangana lindele ukuthi izo-consolidate, mayi-consolidate ngeke saya phezulu ngeke sashona phansi kodwa izohamba sideway from left to right. After that ulindele ukuthi kuzoba khona ini, kuzoba khona i-reversal, whether it's an uptrend noba i-downtrend. In uptrend, moving 200 moving average will be in the bottom in your chart, and in downtrend you will see ukuthi ule phezulu ubani o-200. If your trend is moving straight or up down, you will see a gap between both indicators. Ngamanye amazwi mangabe i-uptrend ishona phezulu uzobuthola ukuthi kuphakathi kwama-indicators akho u-green beno-red kuhlezi kune-gap in between them, bona abasondelene. Mangabe ishona phezulu iyakhombisa nje lonto ukuthi ayikhuleka sisahamba nje siya phezulu, kodwa maseqala u-green no-red bengathi bayasondelana, it's a sign leyo ukuthi khona into ezokwenzeka okumele uyilindele, izofika i-consolidate noba iyacrossa benijike. Kodwa nje makuthiwa nje ishona ezansi futhi nje kahle uzobona ukuthi phakathi kwakhe u-green beno-red kuhlezi kukhona ini igap, banikezana ispace nje bakhuphuke nayo ishone phezulu obehle nayo ishone ezansi. So njengoba ubona nje la ukuthi kulama indicators esibonelo sethu la ngithi uyabona ukuthi nje badishona ezansi ade khona igap, kodwa uthe mayisifika yacrossa kumakhandlela and kwangazobe basondela phinde mayishona phezulu futhi kwenza njani, benza igap. This is a example yana 15 minute chart time frame. So sibe no 1 minute scalping strategy. 1 minute scalping strategy, you look for a small profit multiplies times a day. You need to know when to buy or sell, expecting to take about $2 ke mayirandi imali ngabe lu-15 u-30 rand lo profit per minute. In scalping you are having i-take profit and then futhi touch stop loss. Ngamanye amazwi la uba umuntu obhizi kakhulu awusuke eduze kwescreen mangabe uzosebenzisa 1 minute scalping noba 5 minute scalping. Ngobani? You check i-movement ngokwe-minute ukuthi i-movement yakhona ihamba kanjani. Yeah, in this strategy, you're waiting or looking for a pullback and enter the trade. So ubheka nje mayi-pullback then ungene, and then uyazi kahle ukuthi njengoba ibala nje market because kukhona ne-market watch, usebenza ngo-1 minute noba 5 minutes. Ngalesikhathi ungenile wena, ngalesikhathi i-pullback aqala i-minute, definitely khona i-position, i-profit ozobe uyenza, and then mose uyaphuma futhi mase kuphela lona ngoba uzobe usuyenzile ini i-profit. You see 3 indicators, 9 noma 21 no 200. So ama-indicators engisebenzisayo le, so you get a confirmation kuma-big time frames. So naso sibonelo lesinaso excuse me, So lapha kwi-trigger bar get ready lapha yabo njengobona ama-indicators yethu ukuthi ayacrossa njengobona ngibhalile lapho ukuthi when 9 am cross 21 ma take down trend position get uba ready-ke laphaya. And then mangabe uzosetha lento i-pending order yakho uyisetha kulela khandlela leliya eliyubani eliyu-green. And then mawusethe lapho automatically i-trade yakho izovuleka kuleli khandlela leli. So uzobala ke la 5 minutes chart time frame amakhandlela you can see ukuthi mangaka amakhandlela anjani ayehlile 5 10 15 20 25 30 35 40 within ikhandlela 45 minutes uthola ukuthi usuyangena eziseliconfirmele ukuthi li downtrend ushone ezansi. Then you've got to take profit lapha and then i-profit yakho izodetermine na i-lot size oyivulele ukuthi uvule i-lot size engakanani. I-lot size yakho mayincane kalesa sikhathi lesa uzowenza imali encane, lot size mayinkulu uzwenza i-profit enkulu. Same applies futhi even nama-losses. If i-lot size yakho incane i-loss ihamba kancane, ne-lot size mayinkulu i-loss futhi iba nkulu. So summaries of the popular candlesticks, patterns and reversals. So sine summary la yamakhandlela. So buyela nje kwilento kwinto yokuqala la sasiqale khona, even though abantu be-understanda ngizofuna nje kodwa ukuthi si-understande. La we've got i-bullish candlesticks. Ne-bullish candlestick sisebenzise i-time frame ekubani oku-day time frame. So you can see lapha i-stop loss sethu ukuthi sisibeka lapha ezansi ikhandlela losuku lela masobe ikhandlela lesibini. So mase siba ne-entry mangabe kuphele usuku uptrend mangabe wenza stop loss oset stop loss yakho la koqale khona usuku la previous, then mase i-entry yakho ingene usukwini olusha. So sonke isikhathi kubalekile ukuthi uchecke indlela amakhandlela ayifoma ngayo mayiya phezulu. Uyazi ukuthi i-price eqale ngalo mangabe iya phezulu izothi mayiphela usuku iphele with i-price enkulu than le eqale ngayo makuyi uptrend. So siye kuma-bearish, ama-bearish it's where uthola ukuthi you are selling. Okubalekile kumele uwazi ukuthi kwimarket kunephi phakathi kwama-buyers nama-sellers. Kusho ukuthi ama-bullish nama-bearish kunambango bangakani babanga any price. Abanye bathi price mayiye phezulu, abanye bathi price mayishone ezansi. So sonke isikhathi makuthiwa u-analyze market kufuneka ubheke wena ngokwamakhandlela. Ngokubuka amakhandlela uyafunda lapho ngamanye amazwi wena uthi mawuyibhekile ubone ama-sellers ubone nama-buyers, ubona labantu bebangisana ngeprice. That's why uthola ukuthi kuzoba khona leya msila ebakhona lapha. Ngalesikhathi kuba khona imsila yenziwa ukuthi basuke bedonsisana uma sekuphela ikhandlela lishona ezansi linomzimba ogcwele likhombisa ukuthi laba abaselayo babe namandla, noba sekuthiwa lithi liphela i-period noba siphela isikhathi sekhandlela lingenawo umsila kukhombisa ukuthi banamandla kakhulu labo ababambe imarket. Kulesibonelo lesi njengobona lamakhandlela eshona ezansi, maliphela ikhandlela lethu kufuneke liphele lapha ezansi. Maliphela ezansi lingenawo umsila kukhombisa ukuthi still ama-bearish no abantu abaselayo banamandla kakhulu, akho mbango theni. Ikhandlela lizoqala liqale nje kungekho i-week ebakhona. So sibe nehema. Ihema it's another khandlela eli-reversal pattern liba khona lapha makuthiwa mhlambe seqala amakhandlela ashona phezulu. You can see ukuthi lithi maliqala liqale ngomsila mase liya phezulu uthola ukuthi alibi nawo amandla noba umzimba omkhulu kakhulu. Ngikhuluma ngesiZulu nje manje umuntu ungazifundela nge-English just ukuthi understand, but ngiyisummarize ngoba ngifuna ukuthi kuphela isikhathi sami at least sengikwazile ukuthi ngiwachaze wonke. So into eyenzakalayo lapha i-stop loss sakho siba lapha la kugcina khona la khona umsila noba i-week yani yehema, and then i-entry yakho ibe kwikhandlela elilandelayo. Sibe ne-inverted hammer. Inverted hammer ithi mayifane nehema kodwa manje usekushintshile umsila awusabanga sezansi kodwa ukuthema kuphela usuku kwaphela kokuthi iba nomsila. Then i-stop loss sakho siba below laqala khona ikhandlela i-entry ibe khona lapha khona umzimba welinye ikhandlela. So maningi ama reversal patterns esokhuluma ngawo. Sibe no dragonfly doji nayo futhi ungaba nayo nje ukuthi usifundele yona ubone ukuthi ithini into yakhona. But makhona lento ama-reversal njengama-doji. Ama-doji ayinhlobo eningi. La khona i-doji kumele ulindele ukuthi kuba khona ukushintsha noba ukuguquka okuyi-reversal noba uma ngabe adishone ezansi once kwaba khona i-doji isitshela ukuthi sizoshintsha ke manje izoya phezulu. Uma ngabe ade ku-green uzothola ukuthi mase kuthiwa kuvela wedoji expect ukuthi kuzoba khona ini kuzoba khona ured ishona ezansi. So we've got a hanging man. I-hanging man izoyibona ukuthi vela lapha most i-hanging man ke ngeke uze uyithole kuma downtrend, kuma downtrend uzoyithola kuma ngabe ade kuyi uptrend. I-hanging man mangabe uzokhumbula khona lesa sikade sikufundiswa ngayo qala seyingane ezikolweni eya hanging man, thola ukuthi kufuneka kubhalwe igama and then ku-create ukuze kuvele la ndoda kuthiwa i-hangman, umuntu agcine sekufomeke umuntu olengayo. So nalana sinayo lapha i-hangman. After i-hangman kuba khona ini i-entry level yeni ye-downtrend. Sibe ne-shooting star. I-shooting star most of the time iye yenzeke mangabe kuthiwa kukhona ama-fundamentals noba kukhona ama-events ayenzakala within the market noba kukhona i-volatility ekhona kwi-market. So i-shooting star iyenye futhi yani yama-reversal pattern yani yama-bearish. Mangabe lishona phezulu bekhona i-shooting star, expect ukuthi imakethe ngeke isashona phezulu kodwa izwenza njani, izoshona ezansi. Siye kwi-gravestone doji ngoba you can see ukuthi ime kanjani laphaya ikhandlela futhi eliyini eli-reversal pattern elifola ngaphansi kwamanye amadoji. Siye nedoji indecision. Idoji indecision ibingazuthi isiphambano kodwa you can see cross yakhona ukuthi ayikho lapha phezulu njengesiphambano lesijwayelekile, ibiza ingathi ibe ukwehla kancane. Then we've got a long ledge doji ke ifana ncamishi nesiphambano. So ama reversal patterns wonke lawa ahlukene ngendlela ayizona, so uzozifundela nje wona ukuze wa understand kahle. And you can also go to Google and you check nje like ama-reversal patterns or dodges, then uzothola ukuthi ayachazwa ngendlela eziningi. Sibe no high wave candlestick. High waves candles indecision most of the time liyenzeka futhi makuthiwa kuba khona in ama-fundamentals. Uthola ukuthi abantu abaningi babe liyabaconfuse ke leli khandlela ngoba usuke ungazothi kuzokwenzakalani ngoba phezulu kuba nomsilo omude naphezansi kube khona umsilo omude. Uthola ukuthi ubody iba ncane kakhulu most of the time liba inkinga ke leli khandlela ngoba usuke ungazi ukuthi kazokuphi okuzolandela emva kwaleli khandlela, ingaba ama-bullish noma ama-bearish. Most of the time liye kube ikhandlela othola ukuthi liba inkinga ke kuthenini ke abantu babe nako ukuthi benze njani ba decide i-movement ya-market ukuthi izoya kuphi. Siye ama-spinning tops. Ama-spinning tops ama-indecision. Ama-spinning top mangabe eme kanje ayakutshela ukuthi kuzoba khona ini i-reversal ngoba amakhandlela amancane amaningi afome ezama-bullish, kodwa uzobona ukuthi once waba khona mhlawumbe abe 1 2 3 then lindele ukuthi kuzoba khona ini ushintsho isizowenzana imakethe izoshintsha ishone ezansi. Sibe ne-gap. I-gap most of the time yenzeke mangabe imarket ibikade ivaliwe. Uthola ukuthi mhlambe let's say ivale ngoLwesihlanu i-downtrend, mayise ivula imarket mhlambe ngesonto ebusuku uthola ukuthi kuba khona la gap. So most of the time kubalekile ukuthi mangabe uvale ama-position ngoLwesihlanu angabe nama-position abamaningi uthola ukuthi azohlala for i-weekend ngoba kwesinye isikhathi ungenzeka ukuthi uthola ukuthi i-account yakho iyablowa because of i-gap eyenzeke within impela sonto. Yeah, so ama-gap kahlukene kawu-2. Kuba khona i-gap ye-downtrend kube khona i-gap yani i-uptrend. So kubalulekile ukuthi ube aware of ama-gaps ngoba izinto ezenzakalayo ayijwayeleki ukuthi yenzeke kuma-currencies i-gap, kodwa kuma-indexes iye iyenzeke nakuma-synthetics uye uthola ukuthi iyenzeka, kodwa most of the time yenzeka makuthiwa kuqala usuku. Sibe ne-ascending triangle ama-bullish uyayibona ukuthi yenza njani. Sine-trend line, sibe ne-horizontal. You can see ukuthi i-uptrend njengoba i-uptrend yini ama-bullish lapha mayisiyi-breaker lapha ya njengoba tuweke their horizontal line. You can also see ukuthi i-entry yakho iba lapha yayila uzongena khona imakethe ishone iye phezulu uzenzele i-profit. Uba ne-stop loss, i-stop loss sakho siba below lapha la ifike yahitha khona ini ikhandlela lele eli-red as you can see lapha ya kwi-example yethu. Sibe ne-descending. I-descending nayo sidweba ngaleya ndlela, siba ne-horizontal sibe ne-trend line. Once sadweba kanjeyana, once yayibreaker ini that descending triangle, then you know ukuthi okay now it's going down. Lastly, size kwi-trading profit and target plan. This plan is for EV75 instrument in derive. Kubalulekile ukuthi uyazi ke ukuthi lento le EV75 ine-spread esikhulu and i-volatility yakhona inkulu kakhulu. Abantu abaningi iyabashaya iV75 kodwa kwiV75 iminingi imali ongayenza. So kwi-derive I'm trading only iV75. iV75 ke ngendlela engitrade ngayo ngitrader with i-scalping strategy. Scalping strategy sam mangiyiqala i-account makuthiwa isencane I'm using 1 minute time frame. This plans for day trading in 1 minute time frame with a target kabani yokuthi wenza $28 nge-hour. Kusho ukuthi nge-hour wenza bani u420. This is a target plan, not ukuthi imali ozoyenza usuku nosuku, but you targeting to make ubani $28. So your trading volume okanye lot size yakho iba u0.002. You take profit when you have $2 ubani u30 which means when you take profit uthatha ubani u30. So by doing that mawuzothi wena taking profit yakho per day u28 kushuthi uzowenza bani u504 oku7,500 if wenzakalile othola ukuthi uyenzile. Lokho kwenzeka mangabe kuthiwa uzotrader ama-hour mangaki, uzotrader ama-hour awu18 ngosuku. Mawenza ama-hour awu18 ngosuku uzoloku ucosha 28 izokunikeza le yamali oku7,560. Mawuthatha u7,560 unikeze into 30 days oku$15,120 izokunikeza ngenyanga u226,800 and then itarget yakho yonyaka uzokwenza malini, uzokwenza u2 million. So you can see if kuthiwa uqala unyaka osaqala with that trading plan yokuthi wena ufuna ukuthi wenze ngosuku wenze le yamali ka504 kusho ukuthi ngonyaka uzokwenza malini, uzokwenza more than i-million, kusho ukuthi ubani u2 million. So your trading hours azoba kanjena, akangisho ukuthi abantu bathathe wona exactly, but it will determine ukuthi wena ufuna ini, ngoba without a trading plan ngeke uzokwazi ukuthi ube successful when it comes to trading. When you trade in derive you have 24 hours. With derive into engithandayo akho holiday akho weekend, you trade insuku ezo7 24 hours 365 days, no weekend no holiday for this platform. I-market nje iyohlezi ivuliwe kuyoze kuyeke wena okhathalayo kodwa ihlezi ivuliwe. So when you trade, mina ke ngisebenza u18 hours, mangithi 18 hours njoba sino 24 hours wosuku, u6 hours isikhathi sokulala noba isikhathi sokuphumula, u18 hours owakusebenza. Starting from usuku ngiqale ngobani, ngiqala ukutrader ngo3. Mangiqala itrader ngo3 ngivuka ngo2 and then ngiyathandaza ngi-analyze imarket ngo3 ngiyangena kwimarket and imarket nayo usuku iliqala ngobani ngokwaka-derive baliqala usuku ngo2 basuke bethi bona u12. Ngamanye amazwi mina mangingena ngo3 kusuku bathi bona ubani kusuke kuwusuku i-hour lokuqala imarket ingenile. So it's when uthola ukuthi ngikwazi ukuthi ngi-analyze kahle ngoba isuke isine-hour sengiyibonile ukuthi yenza njani. Ending time yami ngiyeka ukutrader ngo9 to 21 p.m. So this is how I'm doing in trading when I'm scalping. Ngikhulisa i-account noba sekuthiwa ngiyazitradela ngifuna ukuthi ngibe ne-target reasonable usuku nosuku. So it is possible ukuthi wenze le yamali ewu2 million ngonyaka. It is possible to make 7,560 ngosuku if you've got a trading plan and i-strategy sakho usithemba and ungavumeli ukuba greedy and ungavumeli nama-emotions, ngoba ibukeka iyimali encane noba ibukeka iyimali enkulu to make u$28. U$28 mawuzibekele wona ukuthi uzowenza nge-hour, you can make u$28 sometimes ngo-15 minutes wokuqala we-hour lakho. Thola ukuthi ilento yakho le target yosuku mhlambe uqale ngo3 ekseni, ngo10 usuqedile vele. So lonto le ingakwenza ekuthenini uyeke ukutrader ungabisaqhubeka uphinde uhlele losuku olandelayo, okanye utrade mawubona i-movement emarket ukuthi sahamba kakhulu usutrader usuthatha ngosuku olodwa mhlambe uthola ukuthi usureacha ama-target ey'nsuku ezo3. So kuba kanjalo-ke. So ngifuna ukuyiveza lento ukuthi do not despise small things. ungazidelela izinto ezincane like 1 minute time frame or taking uthatha bani or 2 profits. With this trading plan, you grab small profits to fill up the big pocket. In 1 year, you can accumulate more than 1 million and ube a millionaire. It is possible. I am a living testimony. Try this trading plan for 6 months. You will thank me later. So if you can try the strategy, uzongibonga later ukuthi hayi ngiyibonile lento lena iyasebenza. So may God richly bless you. So le presentation yami yokugcina ngikhuluma about trading ku YouTube. So ngiyacela ukuthi mangabe kuthiwa mhlambe khona umuntu omisele ofuna ukuthi athole something uloke nje uwabuka lama video. By the grace of God uNkulunkulu uzokwambula because lezi zinto engiyikhulumayo uzoba nepicture yazo. I am a person othola ukuthi mayikhuluma ecela ukuthi uNkulunkulu mangabe ngikhuluma into ingathi mangiyikhuluma umuntu abe nepicture I understand. Anginayo qualification yokufundisa kodwa nginayo lonto leyo ukuthi mangikhuluma umuntu understand into mangiyikhuluma. So uNkulunkulu anibusise nisazopractice kuma demo kuze kufike lesikhathini sokuthi umuntu aqale trade ku real account nibe ama-millionaire through usizo enilitholile ngolwazi oluncane enginalo nami kuzolana kaphansi #uhambule. Abanye benu sesiyobonana kwa-Humble Community Ministry. Please subscribe kuma YouTube channel ukuze ubone izinto ezinhle uNkulunkulu azenzayo ukuze futhi ube umuntu ofakazayo uNkulunkulu mayisenza imisebenzi emkhulu usho ukuthi hayi mina ngambona lo muntu waqala la wenza la naku asekwenzile through trading ngoba uNkulunkulu uzosebenzisa i-trading to ukuthi wenze umsebenzi wakho. uNkulunkulu uzosebenzisa i-trading ukuthi kube khona turnaround, kube khona uguquko empilweni zabantu, kube khona uguquko nasemhlabeni. uNkulunkulu makanibusise. Ngiyabonga.